Guys, good morning, guys. So they actually give a warning since 1 week that there's gonna be a snowstorm. It started last night. I'm at work currently, and I'm scared to go outside because my car has been covered with snow. Just look at outside. It's raining snow everywhere. They said it's how many centimeters of snow today? It's going to be a lot. Even school buses were cancelled yesterday ahead of today, and my kids didn't go to school. Most people, even my workplace, I work at night, and this morning a lot of my colleagues called in sick. They don't want to come outside in this snow, and too many accidents is going to be happening today because it's a lot. So yeah, I'll be off from work in the next 20 minutes, and I'll go outside to check out my own my own mess. Hey God, Canada. You can see that it's raining snow. Rain. Oh my God. Today is crazy. And look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Crocs. Oh jeez. My car is not that bad. It's not really covered with snow. Hi, good morning. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Please come help me and clear my own too. She's coming. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Guys, my car is stuck. Oh my God. My car is stuck. I can't. Oh my jeez. I can't even move. Thank God I'm already at home. Where is my husband though? Husband man. Oh. Hey, how can I pack all this snow all the way? Jesus Christ. This is crazy. This is a lot. I've never done this before. I've never packed snow like this before. My husband does all the packing. So guys, I'm about going to work tonight. This is 11 p.m. and my husband came back at 9 p.m. was packing the snow. You can see the level of snow he packed today. Like he was packing the snow for like 1 hour. He was packing the snow for like 1 hour. And look at, oh God, it's good to have a man in your life. Oh. Imagine me packing this snow, I would just die. Look at the amount of snow, look at the height. Can you see that? Today was crazy. Let me start my car. My neighbor also cleared his own path. Shit, I'm going to work. See you guys. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
The worst winter ever.
So the weather is really, speaking of under the sun and in the rain, serving God. This is it. Like it is so stormy, like snowstorm, right? It is so bad today. It's so bad. I wanted to even stay at home. It is snowy and it's cloudy and it is storming snow. It's just everything happening and everybody is driving carefully and it's a lot of accident on the way. This is like 2 days after I made this previous video of snowstorm. As it's been like snowstorm for the past 1 week now. Like it's crazy. So and we're going to church now because I thought of it. I wanted to stay at home with my kid. But I want to go to, I'm going to work today. With this snowstorm, I can go to work, but I can't go to church. What? No, it's everywhere. Nobody's on the way. Everybody's home. So I say if I can go to work with this snow, that means I can be able also to go to church. I just have to drive very, very carefully because it's very slippery. A lot of accident on the way and all that. The weather currently is minus 18 degrees, but it's snowing cat and dog. So arrives church safe and sound. Safe
I
and
want
sound. Look
summer.
at the mountain of snow outside. Can
I
you
want
see that?
summer.
Can you
Summer's
see
the
the
best.
mountain of snow outside? You guys come out. God for Johnny Mercy. You guys come on, let's go. Thank God for Johnny Mercy. Come on, come down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Agodi Charity for those that are new. I'm a content creator based in Ontario, Canada. Guys, you're welcome. So today I am at my friend's location, one of my friend's location, and I came for pajamas party. We're gonna party today, and yeah, so we organized this in February, like the 14th of February, but because of the snowstorm that day hey, like we organized it like the 16th of that week of Valentine, but the snow was so heavy and we had to carry it or push it over to today, which is March 1st. Is it today 2nd or 1st? Today's supposed to be 2nd, right? Yeah, we moved it today, and yeah, we are here live and direct, right? So I just came to park at the visitors parking now. I'm going back to the spot. So we are all going to be dressed. Everybody's going to be dressed in a pinkish way, pink pajamas. And we organize this gift exchange thingy where you get to pick colors. I pick color red. Some people pick pink. Some people pick blue, black, orange. Different colors. We are like 11 of us. So for every color you pick, you buy gift that goes in line with the color you picked. So unfortunately for me, the gift I picked, I didn't see red. I love the gift I picked, but it came in white and black. So what I did, sense will not kill me, like I am too much. What I did was to wrap the carton in red, right? So you put it in a red bag. Hey, I'll show you guys when I get it, because I already kept my gift inside my friend's house and came to park at the parking lot. So I wrapped my own in a red, is a box, white box. Thereabout. I had to wrap it in a red this thing to represent that red, because it's very important. So yes, we are here. Today's weather, yesterday and today's weather, I thought we were in the month of March. Everything is getting situated, and the weather is becoming more oh Sophia. So but the weather is now, where is the pajamas?
Because they didn't tell me that you people are order online.
Say hi.
Hi.
You don't wear pajamas with us?
Yes, this is pajama now.
No, now you hold that.
They didn't tell me now. They said that they do. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, you and the other lady, like two people that,
Yes.
yeah, it's like we were supposed to be 9, not
But
because
they-
11, because
Yes.
you joined us. Oh yeah.